This is Doval's second official visit to Sri Lanka this year. Adis Doval was welcomed to the island at the airport by Commander of the Sri Lanka Army, Lieutenant General Shavendra Silva, and the Indian High Commissioner to Sri Lanka. According to the Ministry of Defence, the official and his delegation have arrived in the country to take part in the 4th National Security Advisor or NSA-level trilateral meeting on maritime security cooperation between India, the Maldives and Sri Lanka, set to be held today and tomorrow. The Indian National Security Advisor was accompanied by Deputy Military Advisor, Retired Admiral Monty Khanna and other officials. Retired Admiral Monty Khanna is a specialist in submarine technology. The Maldivian Defence Minister, Maria Didi, also arrived in the island to take part in the trilateral discussions. Bangladesh, Mauritius and the Seychelles are expected to participate as observers. The high-level engagement that covers a wide range of subjects is designed to initiate collective action on maritime security, including maritime domain awareness, legal regimes, training, search and rescue, maritime pollution response, information sharing, curbing piracy, drugs, arms and contraband trafficking in the Indian Ocean region. The meeting is convened this year after 6 years since the last meeting in New Delhi in 2014.
News First, Sri Lanka's most trusted news brand, keeps you informed wherever you are. All you need to do is follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel. News First, your life, our news.